Do you want one of those, Lucas? Huh? You want one of those? Okay, pick which one you want, Bubba. Which one do you want? Show me. Oh, no, you see what I got in my hands. Is that what you want? You want the ones I have in my hands. Huh? Is that what you want? You want them? Okay. Come on. No, no, what do you want? Okay, pick out your toy. You can have something. You want a nummy? Pick it out. Pick out what you want. You want? Come on. What you want? You got a whole aisle to pick from. Pick one.
Can you help there now?
No. Pick one. Don't see one you want? Come on. Let's go to this aisle then. Pick one. Is that what you want? Come on. You don't want one of those? Okay. Come on. You think about one of those? Yeah, I want you to get one of those. You want one of those? Let's see. You want one of these? You want that one or this one? Got your color. Which one you want? You want that one? Okay, we'll get this one in. And this one? This one? Is that the one you want? Yeah, that's the one you want. Oh. Okay, we got it. Okay, we got it. I got it. Mommy will carry it. Mommy will carry it. Yeah, Mommy's going to carry it for you.